A lot of sites out there which give credit cards, but they are not legit. In this video I'm going to show you the legit and the one of the right way to get a credit card which you can use to PayPal and many other areas. Well, this card is valid for over a year and you don't need to replace and do like some other cards which are valid for only 1 month, but this card is valid for a year. And it is legit. It is not like any other card, and you need to try. Hope you guys have seen that the steps are very easy. After that, you're free to go to PayPal or any other website you want to link that credit card to, and you're free to link that credit card. You go shopping, buy some stuff, pay people, send money, receive money, and don't forget to send me some. Just joking. But anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let's meet in another video. God bless you.